Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Virgos. So let's start with these cards. So we have Mountain, Lilies and Letter. So Virgos, with these cards, guys, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are someone in a very crucial circumstance. You need to make some choices or decisions, maybe in your work, and you are facing a lot of challenges today, guys. Lot of problems, and it needs to be solved. Maybe sometimes it may be a physical problem, maybe an illness or some difficulties in your work. Something you need to do it, some work you need to do to recover or avoid some difficulties. Or for some of you, it may be a lot of stress you are seeing today, guys, mental stress. So your determination and your sheer willpower is what is going to take you across these difficult circumstances. And maybe for some of you, you are lacking that confidence, guys, and determination. You have done a lot till now, but you're seeing a lot of difficulties and it is making you really confused. So whatever you do, these obstacles or these difficulties are not coming to an end. So you are not seeing a solution for your troubles, guys. And that may be the reason you are losing confidence. And for some of you, maybe in your relationship, guys, it may be with this person you love. Though you are trying to do the good things, the right things in this relationship, this person may expect even much more than that, and situation is not as you expected. There may be some misunderstandings, some troubles in this love, and you are afraid where things are going. You love them, you want to be with this person, but you have some fears and you don't know how to resolve your situation. And maybe for some of you guys, this love with this person, you would have had a beautiful relationship, a perfect understanding. Things were going well for you. Things were in a good place in this connection. Perfect understanding, intimacy and harmony and balance was there in this connection, guys. But maybe today something has disrupted the harmony and balance in this relationship. And for some of you, I also see some news coming your way, guys. It may be an important message this person is sending you, or important communication, something. Or for some of you, it may be some kind of an announcement coming, huge announcement today in your situation. So that may change the way things are in your love situation, guys. Maybe your troubles will resolve with these announcements. Maybe you have won a gift, or you have won some surprise, a trip somewhere, and that may be the stepping stone for some understanding or some uh, solution in these troubles in your relationship, guys. And for your career situation also, Virgos, things are going, though you may be seeing some difficulties, you are facing a lot of difficulties, confusions, but whatever it is, guys, bit by bit your circumstances will change, and that is some good news even in your career situation, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Virgos, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So we will keep this card aside. Please like and comment, guys, if you like this reading. So we will see what is the card, the first card for you all. It's Snow White and it says purity. I hope you can see the card here, guys. Yeah. So with this card, it just means that you are a very honest person, guys, pure soul. Maybe in your circumstances you have seen worse circumstances with people behaving in a bad way, people with evil intentions, but all that bad intentions or worse kind of behavior has not corrupted you at all, and your beautiful character nature is going to shine through this time, guys. Maybe you are in some difficult situation, people are trying to create a lot of obstacles or lot of stressful situation for you, guys. They are trying to create problems for you, and they are jealous and they are rejecting you, and whatever is possible for them they are doing all that. But you are someone who is a pure soul, you are a good soul, and you are just smiling looking at your circumstances, and nothing is making an impact on you to change towards some negative things, like you don't want to retaliate to them in any way. So your kindness and your good nature, your pure heart is going to shine out today, guys, and this kindness and pure heart is what is giving you success today, guys. So whatever evil is upon you, it has not made it to your heart, and you are going to be triumphant today. You are going to win. Your good nature, your pure heart is going to win today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose the second card, it is Yin. So with this card, it just means that in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, it is the time for you to let the other person make the first move. So conscious are loving. So that is what this card means. Maybe letting the other person do what they need to do today, and you just need to wait and see where things are going. So in your relationship, you need to let the other person take the lead now. So your power lies in awareness that you are letting them do it, letting them, you're giving them the reins, yielding your reins. So you will find yourself effortlessly moving closer to what you truly desire, guys, what you truly want. So you need to let that other person tell you what they truly feel about you and who they can be to you, and letting their actions speak for themselves. So when you do that, you will be surprised, guys. It will be something which you love, but all you are doing is you are making that other person do it. So that way your dreams are going to manifest, and actions and what to say is flowing from the other person. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you are the person receiving whatever this other person is giving today, guys, to you. So that is what this card means. You just need to let that person give to you. Maybe not always we need to make the first move, we need to decide on certain things and do certain things. Sometimes we must let that other person make the move and take that action, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.